My name is Katie Giblett and I'm Australian, but I've been living in Edinburgh in Scotland for nearly 6 years. So I studied visual communication design at university in Australia, and then when I moved over to the UK, I got a job as a graphic designer within the communications industry. UX was kind of becoming this thing that was floating around and people were starting to talk about it and clients were starting to expect it as part of our offering. I did look at quite a lot of online courses and I did some free ones, but I felt like I wasn't really getting the full picture. I was drawn to the UX Design Institute specifically because it was university accredited. And I wanted to know that if I did a course, it was all approved, all the content was based on a real life project situation. I've been able to successfully transfer from a graphic designer into a digital product designer or completely a UX-based role. Some things that were really important when interviewing was my approach to problem solving. Basically, my approach to problem solving just stems from the overall process that you follow as part of the diploma. I would 100% recommend the UX Design Institute to other people. I think that anybody creating designs for a target audience or a group of users would really benefit from doing the diploma and definitely having a UX knowledge base.